top focus story. Hurriyat hardliner Gilani has been completely cornered by the government over his passport request. Gilani, who regularly incites anti-India violence in Kashmir Valley, was earlier caught waving Pakistani flags. Sources have revealed the government's stand on Gilani's passport request. Sources say separatist leader Syed Ali Shah Gilani will need both MEA and MHA clearance for passport. Gilani will have to present himself at Passport Seva Kendra with all documents in person. No special concession for privileges for Gilani in seeking passport. He is on prior approval list for passports. His passport request will have to be cleared by the MHA first. No column in the passport form can be left blank. Indian passport is only for Indian citizens. Application will be cleared only when he presents himself at the Passport Seva Kendra. I want to cut across to our strategic affairs editor, Gaurav Sawant, who's in the studio with us. Gaurav, Gilani fairly cornered at this point of time because before he even wants to seek a passport, he has to accept that he's a bona fide citizen of the Constitution of India.
Spot on there, Preeti. Syed Ali Shah Gilani, he's seeking a passport to visit his ailing daughter in Jeddah. Now, top sources in both the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Ministry of External Affairs have told Headlines today that he will have to apply for a passport through proper channel, and that is once he's filled his form online, he will have to present himself at the Passport Seva Kendra for his picture to be taken. No column in that passport form can be left blank. He will have to fill that he's an Indian citizen. Then he'll have to figure out and fill whether there are any pending police cases against him. After that, his passport form will go for Home Ministry clearance, and this is not just the State Home Ministry but the Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi. After it's cleared by the Ministry of Home Affairs, then the Ministry of External Affairs will take a call on whether or not to issue him a passport. No VVIP privileges for Syed Ali Shah Gilani as in the past anymore.
That's what I want to come across to Gaurav. Can you just take us through the instances in this past? There have been an occasion in the past when the UPA government granted him a visa on the account of getting medical treatment in the United States.
It was in the year 2007 that a passport was issued to Syed Ali Shah Gilani on grounds that he had to visit America for medical treatment. Now, Syed Ali Shah Gilani has been making anti-India statements. He claims he is not an Indian citizen. He insists that Kashmir is disputed. He's been towing Pakistan, ISI and terrorist lines on Jammu and Kashmir throughout. Now, this, while it may have been acceptable earlier, but when Prime Minister Narendra Modi took over, there was a template that was set not just for the Pakistanis, saying that Pakistanis, they either interact with government of India or they interact with separatists, but they cannot do both. That is point one. Point two, even when the PDP-BJP government is in power, and Preeti, this is a bone of contention between the PDP-BJP government according to sources in the state government. While the PDP is keen that Syed Ali Shah Gilani be given a passport on humanitarian grounds, whether he fills all sections or not, the state BJP is insisting that he not only fills every column, including that he's an Indian citizen, the state BJP also wants him to apologize for his anti-India comments, and only then, and this is what the state BJP is demanding, a written apology. Only then do they want government of India to issue him a passport.
Appreciate you joining us, Gaurav. We're going to keep coming back to you for further updates on that story. Meanwhile, the face of the hardline separatist movement in the valley, Hurriyat leader Syed Ali Shah Gilani, has sought an Indian passport on the grounds that he needs to visit his ailing daughter in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. With the separatist leader listing his nationality as blank, massive controversy has broken out over Gilani's application. The BJP has objected, saying that the Hurriyat hardliner must acknowledge that he is an Indian citizen before a passport can be issued to him. With the Jammu and Kashmir BJP leaders putting the onus on central government to take the final call, the issue could spark divide where the BJP and the PDP alliance in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. However, the Home Ministry is undecided. Gilani had been placed under house arrest on April 17 for waving a Pakistani flag in a Srinagar rally. The politics of passport has played out before in the valley as well. Gilani's passport was seized by authorities in 1981 but was allowed to travel by the UPA government in the year 2007 to the United States for medical treatment.
Ministry of External Affairs will take the call depending upon whatever the facts, because they'll have to study the details about it.
But there is a case against Saeed Ali Shah Gilani.
No, as I said, I'm not in a position to actually give a verdict on that. The Ministry of External Affairs would study all the facts, all the details, and come out with an opinion and take a call.
BJP spokesperson said that he should apologize. He should apologize for the international activities.
No, that is a separate issue. I'm talking as far as the validity of giving permission or not giving a permission is concerned. There are mechanisms in place, and the Ministry of External Affairs will take a call depending upon whatever the situation and whatever the reason cited, because I'm not actually privy to that.
ऐसे देखिए, हमारा जो विदेश मंत्रालय है इस पर गौर करेगा और वो सक्षम है। इस पर मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता। हमारा विदेश मंत्रालय क्या विचार कर रहा है, कैसे है, क्या कर रहे हैं, मुझे इसकी जानकारी नहीं है, लेकिन जो विदेश मंत्रालय करेगा वो ठीक ही करेगा और सक्षम है।
आपकी पार्टी का क्या स्टैंड है, क्योंकि जो एंटी नेशनल एक्टिविटी की है
ये हमारी पार्टी की ही गवर्नमेंट है। ये गवर्नमेंट का स्टैंड होगा, वही तो पार्टी का स्टैंड होगा।
तो उनके ऊपर FIR लगे हुए हैं और हमेशा
हाँ, तो देखेंगे ना, विदेश मंत्रालय इसको देख रहा है और देखेगा। जो उचित होगा वही विदेश मंत्रालय करेगा।